Beneath the rustling grasses and the dappled shadows of quiet forests, lives a creature so familiar, yet so misunderstood. This is the story of the rabbit, nature's silent survivor. With their twitching noses and soft fur, rabbits might seem delicate, even fragile. But in truth, these animals are built for survival. Their large eyes, positioned on the sides of their heads, grant nearly 360-degree vision, a crucial adaptation for spotting predators from every direction. Watch closely. This rabbit is eating. It nibbles with precision, favoring tender greens and clover. But this meal is more than just a moment of peace, it's a race against time. In the wild, safety is fleeting. Those long ears do more than just add charm. They're sensitive antennae, constantly listening. A faint rustle in the grass, a hawk overhead, a fox nearby. The rabbit hears it all. And it must always be ready to flee. Rabbits don't build grand burrows like some of their relatives. Instead, they rely on natural cover, bushes, logs, even the shadows, to hide and rest. Their instinct is their shield, their stillness, their armor. But there's more to rabbits than fear and flight. They are social creatures. In colonies, they groom one another, share food paths, and communicate with subtle signals, a thump of the foot, a flick of the ear. It's a language written in instinct. And when they drink, watch this. Every action is careful, every motion is calculated. For a rabbit, even water can be a dangerous luxury. But they must drink. Hydration is life. And life, for a rabbit, is a balance between risk and reward. Yet despite the dangers, rabbits thrive. Across continents and climates, from open meadows to dense woodlands, they multiply, adapt, and survive. Their secret? Simplicity and silence. In a world full of predators, rabbits have chosen a different path. Not strength, not venom, not size. But awareness, speed, and the art of vanishing. They are prey, yes, but never powerless. This is the quiet resilience of the rabbit.